The profit beat, revenue is pretty much in line, but the bigger story for Nike is that it's got stiffening competition from its rivals.
Yeah, if you look at just step back for a second, the revenue was flat. So Nike did not grow sales last quarter, which is a pretty significant turn for this company that was by far and away the market leader for years. It was basically off in the distance by itself. Adidas was completely struggling in the US and globally for the better part of a decade. And now Nike posting flat revenues is considered a win. That just shows you how much expectations have been lowered for the company.
Yeah, because if we look at the results of Finish Line and Dick's back in August, both were really disastrous, and it looked like the athletic wear consumer, to Scarlett's point, dropping off already, but in July and August really into a black hole. So is that what we're seeing here a little bit, and then fear on the part of investors?
Yeah, their wholesale business, which is selling to Dick's Sporting Goods, Foot Locker, Finish Line, was not good. They called that out as a very big negative point for the quarter. The beat on earnings, part of that was a lower tax rate. They cut some expenses on marketing. So that's just kind of if you're an investor, maybe you won on the short term on that, but in the long run, there's still big question marks about this company and what it's going to do in the U.S.
They're trying to change that, though. I mean, they're going direct to consumer. They've signed up with Amazon. Yeah. There's all sorts of things that they're Instagram as well. All sorts of things that they're trying to do to tackle this and sort of fend off what we were just talking about earlier, is encroaching on market share, particularly in the footwear space of Adidas.
Adidas, yeah. That's right. I mean, it's more profitable to sort of cut out the middleman, to go outside of the retailers. They're opening more stores. They want to grow their online revenue quite a bit. Again, that's not great news for their big retail partners. So there's a bit of a battle there between the retail partners and themselves.